Hello students, in last lecture we had studied till natural heritage of India. Okay, you are studying lesson 1 of SS standard 10. Now we will see landscape. These beautiful landscapes are generally formed due to different shape of land. Because of different shape, beautiful land is formed. It is also natural heritage. For example, the Himalaya is the landscape. It has endowed Indians abundantly with useful vegetation and minerals. Endowed, okay, gift किया है, अर्पण किया है. It has endowed abundantly, plenty of minerals, strange birds, animals and mountain peaks covered with snow. Brimming rivers मतलब full of water. जो water से full है, that is brimming. It is gift of Himalaya. Forest of Terai and its pilgrimage places, for example Amarnath, Badrinath, Kedarnath and summit like Nanda Devi are in Himalayas. Since ancient time, Himalaya has greater importance for India. Since ancient time, Himalaya बहुत important है इंडिया के लिए. Now second one, rivers. Rivers have been providing natural ways since ancient times. Rivers are waterways, natural ways. Okay. Since ancient times, in olden time, Indian culture has flourished on the river bank of Indus and Ravi. Okay, on the bank of big rivers, people started living. Flourish, मतलब बहुत develop हुआ, civilization. We know our sages, Rishi Muni and people started living on the bank of river Ganga, Sindhu, Narmada. The rivers like Ganga, the Yamuna, the Saraswati, the Indus, the Narmada, the Godavari and the Krishna, etc. have profoundly influenced the people of India. Profoundly influenced, बहुत influence किया, प्रभाव किया है. Rivers are the source for drinking water, domestic use, irrigation, electricity and waterways. Sources of these things, rivers. Irrigation मतलब to provide water in the field. Irrigation का meaning to provide water in the field through canal or anywhere. Besides, the man was dependent on rivers to develop industries of clay utensils. Okay, on the river bank, people made bricks, clay utensils, plastering, the building and houses. Mud was used, okay, for making clay utensils, houses. River water has made human life beautiful and prosperous. Because of river water, agriculture developed, and that agriculture product, okay, brought prosperity to the people, to the country. Landscape scenes at dawn and the dusk are very fascinating on the side of river. Scenery, natural scene at the dawn, at the early morning and at the dusk, at the evening is fascinating, charming on the side of river. These are source of inspiration for artists and have enriched the lives of the people. Source of inspiration. These natural scenes are source of inspiration for artists. Okay, जो suppose painter, okay, any other artist, enrich the lives of people and make our life rich by developing the aesthetic sense, beauty. Aesthetic sense means to understand beauty of nature. Now, third one, vegetation. People of India are environment lover since ancient time. It proof is that love and affection towards flower and shrubs and plants. We were nature lover. It is proof that still we love, okay, flowers, shrubs and plants. Humans, animals, birds, etc. are dependent on trees for their food. We also are dependent on trees for fruits, then birds also, and many insects also are dependent on trees. They live in trees. Banyan and peepal tree and basil are worshipped in India. Basil matlab tulsi, banyan tree, okay, neem, peepal tree. We worship it. We offer water during some vrat. Okay, women offer water. We also water our forefathers, okay, to peepal tree and basil, tulsi. Okay, we grow tulsi at our home. Cereals, pulses, oil seeds, plants, green fields, prosperous herbs. Pack the forest and medicinal plants have ultra enriched our life. Agriculture products, cereals, all types of cereals, pulses, oil seeds. Oil seeds means groundnut, sesame, okay, cotton seed, etc. Plants, green fields, herbs, okay, medicinal plants have made our life extra rich since ancient time. Herde, these are the Ayurvedic herbs. Herde, amla, behda, aloe vera, ardusi, neem, etc. medicinal, and flowers like rose, lotus, mogra, jasmine, damro, sweet basil, sunflower, champa, plumeria, jui, okay, jasmine, etc. have made human life very beautiful. Fragrant, healthy and prosperous. These flowers has made our lives fragrant. Okay, we use attar, okay, of these flowers, and we also use these flowers, okay, during different occasion. The social and religious life of India is greatly influenced by the vegetation. So this way, vegetation and the trees become part of our life. Now wildlife. India is nature lover since ancient time. It's country with animal lover culture. Tiger, lion, elephant, rhino, foxes, bear, deer, sambar, rabbit, python, snake, mongoose, lizard, porcupine, like many such organisms are found and seen. Okay, so almost all type of wild animals and insects, reptiles, okay, are seen in India, because in different state, because of different season and different types of forest, different type of wild animals are seen. Asian lions in the world are found only in the Gir forest of Gujarat. एशियन लायन सिर्फ गुजरात के गिर फॉरेस्ट में ही है. Our religious belief has given a status of god-goddess vehicle to some of wild animals. We believe that some wild animals are vehicle of god-goddess. Suppose lion and tiger is vehicle of goddess Durga. Okay, some birds are also vehicle of goddess. Suppose hen is vehicle of goddess Bahusaraji. Then peacock is vehicle of god Kartikeyan. So this way we worship them. That means we don't kill them. Alligators, eagles, etc. Eagle is vehicle of Lord Vishnu. Okay, Garud. विष्णु भगवान गरुड़ के ऊपर आते हैं. Our national currency is highly valued by having the figure of lion, horse, elephant and bull. In our national currency, these wild animals are printed. Furthermore, to protect the wildlife, reserves are created and even laws for the protection of this wildlife have been enacted. Okay, Indian government have decided different forest as a sanctuary, national park, okay, wildlife reserves, and law are made that any type of hunting of wild animals is banned and it is punishable crime. So this was natural heritage. Now we will see cultural heritage. So you studied natural heritage. The points of natural heritage are landscape, rivers, vegetation, wildlife. Okay. Now cultural heritage. India has gifted to the world a diverse and rich culture. Cultural heritage is man-made heritage. We studied what is culture. So India has contributed a lot to the world, okay, in terms of culture. Whatever is received or created by human with his tact, wisdom, art and skill is called cultural heritage. Tact matlab powerful skill, mind, smartness. Here, man made something with his wisdom, with his smartness, intellectual. So it is called cultural heritage. Starting from Aryans, Satraps, Kushan, Huns, Persians, Turk, Arabs, Mughal, Britisher, French, etc. Caste and tribes have come to India. Since ancient time, many people from different countries came to India. Indian culture from the exchange between all these has become rich. Indian culture became rich, okay, with the exchange of different manners, different rituals with these people. The people of India from the prehistoric period have contributed to the people of the world. We have contributed to the world, Indian people. The art of architecture and sculpture are 5,000 years old. Architecture. Indian people were master in constructing palaces, okay, temples, stepwell, etc. And it is 5,000 years old. And sculpture also. We were able to make different statues, idols, etc., etc. The remains of Indus Valley civilization is an evidence of this. So during the excavation, digging of Indus Valley civilization, we have found this type of articles, things. See, क्या मिला है? Figure of god and goddesses, human, animals, and several toys. Toy as well as sculpture of bearded man. Okay, दाढ़ी वाला आदमी, sculpture उसका मिला है. And statue of dancer. One feels self-esteem and pride in our cultural heritage. So we can take pride for our cultural heritage. We are proud of our cultural heritage that ancient people of India had progressed very much in different fields. Further, when we look at the figure of bullock or lion on an inverted lotus of Mauryan era, the statue of Gautam Buddha in a meditative form, meditating Gautam Buddha, or Kalkhand statue of Jain Tirthankars, okay, Mahavir Swami and etc. God of Jain Tirthankar, they call them Tirthankar. So uska statue, the caves of Ellora of Rashtrakuta dynasty, etc. By seeing this heritage, we feel proud, glad, and also respect for our cultural heritage. So we feel proud for our heritage, for our ancient India. Okay.